Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Upper retrosternal pain. Upper retrosternal pain, that is pain which is seen behind the sternum. Retrosternum is behind the sternum. So whenever the pain, why does the patient develops chest pain behind the sternum? The chest pain can occur behind the sternum. It can be a momentary pain which increases in intensity on cuffing. So this pain increases in intensity on cuffing and it subsides when the cuff becomes productive. So this type of upper retrosternal pain is seen in acute tracheitis.
thank you and thank you for watching.